Yes.
See, now you can observe login is equal to 2k. So why it is login is equal to 2k? The welcome page is in this particular page. How many times it will be there means 2 times will be there. So it is calculated for in this page how many times. That is point of view we are using for the web break find function. It is like you can go to here function and save count will be there. What is the save count means? It will count for the particular text how many times will be there in this page. So save count nothing but how many times welcome is there. So in this welcome text, that page how many times it will be to calculate. That is why we are using for the save count. So now you can it calculate for the 2 times means your checkpoint will be passed. Then see your script also passed successfully because you are handling the dynamic value. So you can observe we are not doing for the correlation, we are not doing for the any checkpoint. You are executing, your script will be pass, but we don't know exactly the script is pass or fail, and we are getting for the valid response page or not. We don't know. Yes or not, right? So each and every page you need to give for the this also very important. Got it, everyone? Hello, everyone joined or not?
I joined.
Yeah, yeah.
Fine.
See, this is we can call it as a validation point or text verification point. We can call. What is the text verification point means? So web breakpoint function. We need to give for the static test of the text, and we want to calculate for the text how many times means you need to use for the argument save count. And this login means just that is the name I given because this is the page will be login. That is why I given login. Maybe you are giving for the launch, you can give for the launch. So you can observe same way you can write for that function web underscore reg underscore find, and you can start bracket and text comma save count comma last and bracket close and save. So now you can give for the some text is equal, and here you can give for the like save count equal to you need to give for the like what we are doing launch, right? You can give for the launch only. Means in the launch page this text is how many times it will be there we need to calculate. So now you can go to here and see this is the launch page. After launch, so you need to take for the any one of the static test of this page. So I will taking for the some web tour is also static test because this will be every time will be same. So that is why I'm taking this one, and in the text place I'm copy and pasting, and you can save this and execute. See, now we can go to the output window and we'll see the launch also. You can observe launch is equal to how it is showing how many times. It is a 6 times will be there the web tools text. Means you are getting for the valid page. And you can observe we are done for the login also. Login is also it is showing for the 2 times. Means the particular welcome will be there in that page 2 times. More than one means more than one or equal to one means you are going to the valid page. So text verification point also very important point for our point of view. So you need to do for the every and each and every page you need to give for this function also web break find function. So this is the very easy way because this is a very small script. I am doing for the manually, it is a very easy, but we are doing for the number of lines of code. So every page you need to open, and in this page what is the static test you need to select means it is a what is this that will be like take for the time, and that is not easy work. So during the test only you need to during the recording only you need to enable that one. In recording options we can go to the recording options. When you are doing the recording, before recording, you can go to here and select for the advanced. And here we need to see the generate web breakpoint function page titles. You can select this. Automatically the function will be generated. When you are select and click on OK, then it is applicable, right? Now again we'll just regenerate. We can do it, and I think it will work. Now you can observe automatically everything will be function will be generated. Now you can observe, you can go to the action part and see web break find function. Automatically text will be picked. So save count you can give or not also, no problem, but save count is just your understanding point of only. So you can observe in this page also it is picked for the one more checkpoint, and in this page also it is picked one more checkpoint. Automatically the text also it is picking. No need to go to the each and every page. In this page what is the static text, you need to no need to select only, because that is a small script you can do for that is the way good. So you need to do for the like this, you need to do for the record the script like this. See, you can each and every page automatically that is generated. See, now you can execute.
But here automatically which text will be find here? Web tools.
Yeah, what is the header header files is there, right? You can observe here and can go here. Titles we are asking. See, you can observe generate web break find function page titles. See, you can observe page titles every time will be, those will be not static only, not they will be not dynamic. So that is why we are giving for the generate web break find function for pages titles. What are the page titles will be there, you need to give that one. So each and every page title will be web tour will be there. So it is given for take for the automatically to take this one. And after that login also, what is the static one it will take. See, you can observe and bean. In this page also, title page is a web tour, it will pick that one. And after that, you can observe in this page, find flight will be there. So you can observe, otherwise it is taking for the web tour also, no problem. You will observe here, and you can observe here. Here also web tour only it is picked for the click on flight. But here you can observe flight selections. It is taken from the flight selections. And after that, you can observe here flight reservation. And you can observe here and find flight. Sorry, not this one. So reservation made. So page titles only automatically it will pick. Got it? So now you can execute it. You can observe it is a failed because you are not going to the particular page. See, text is equal web tour is not found in the web breakpoint. Means you are not going to successfully doing for the login, because in this page we have the some dynamic value will be there. If you not handle the dynamic value, you are not going to the valid page. Means you are unable to log in. So you can handle this, then you are able to pass the your script. Means you are going to the valid page. Got it, everyone? Hello?
Dynamic means we need to do the correlate and then we can go to the exact page.
Yeah. See, for example, I want for the some message like this checkpoint is pass or failed. I want to message in the in our output window. So we need to write for the some little bit C code. Okay, that will be one time you have. Every time you need to keep same. One minute. Okay. See, now you can how to we can write means you need to write for the, for example, you are doing for this request. You need to write for the end of this request, we need to write for the some technique. So what is the technique means? Okay, once you can copy paste it, that's enough. No need to do every time. Okay, this is the function, checkpoint condition function we are using. You can observe here, you can copy paste it. We are writing for the some if else condition like checkpoint pass or checkpoint fail condition. Okay, checkpoint pass or fail condition, if else condition we are using, but we are using for the some LR eval string. So in this place we need to give for the what is the save count name we are given, you need to give for that. Like what name we are given, login you are given, right? You can copy this and keep it here, login. Means what will happen, login is equal to 0 means the test particular test web tour is there, right? That is the static text, it will be equal to 0, then it is a else going to and your checkpoint will be failed. Maybe this text is equal web tour is equal 2 times will be there, checkpoint will be pass. So just if else condition only. Okay, no worry about that. Okay, we can execute and we'll see the output. See some syntax error we are getting because if started ended and still it is showing.
Here double code
Yeah,
checkpoint is
double
failed.
code missed. Okay. So if you script passing failed means mainly syntax errors, comma or semicolon or double colon. So this type of syntax errors only it will be there. Actually, this essential. So I will share this one. Everyone keep it, and every request you need to write that one. Then you know for the checkpoint is pass or fail. You know, so you can go up and you can check for that where we keep login, right? Login transaction. See web break failed successfully and login is started and web break failed successfully. Text is equal to web tour is searching. In this web tour login is equal to 0 means in this page web tour is equal to 0 is there means you are unable to capturing for that one. That is why you can observe here checkpoint is failed. Means you are going to the valid page. We are going to the valid page. No, right?
No.
So then what you can do for the means you miss for the maybe any correlation you miss. That is why you are unable to getting for the particular page, you are not getting for the particular response. So that is why you need to do for the correlation. So you can do, now we can do for the correlation. I think it is which type of attribute is going. Okay. Now we'll execute again. Now is checkpoint pass or failed. You can observe. See, you can observe without doing for the correlation, is checkpoint will be failed. But you can do now checkpoint is pass or not. We can check. See, you can observe login is equal to 4 and means the particular web tour will be in that page having 4 times will be there. You can observe count is equal to also it's showing 4 and you can observe checkpoint is pass. So you are getting for the valid response page. So this checkpoint you need to give for the each and every page. Like you need to give for the web break find and as same to the if you want to write for this condition means you can this condition If you want means you can keep it. No need also, no problem, because you are giving for this also, you are able to capturing or not, we are able to seeing using for the save count. But you want particular message also, then you need to give for this condition. So this condition I'm saving in the chart window. Everyone keep it in the save in notepad as a text checkpoint condition. Okay, this is also important. Now you can every page you can keep this same, but only what is the difference? See, for example, now we can keep it in the launch, and you need to change for the like save count name you can give here. Save count is equal, and we are doing launch, right? You can give for the LU and launch, and now this launch you need to keep for in this condition here. If LRC here, you can give for here. Now it will execute. Okay, this will be no need to write manually also. You can keep in your notepad, or you can keep in your, but you need to practice, and you need to know for the what is that code also. Okay, you can observe, we can observe in output window. See login, before login on we did, right? See launch is equal 6, checkpoint is pass. Okay, means if you give this one, okay, in your script where it is you are not getting valid response, you know. Okay, got it everyone? So this is the one verification point, and we have the one more verification point will be there, image verification point. So that is the function like web underscore image underscore check, chk check, and after that we need to give for the parameter name and comma, and we need to give for the, like, if you don't want, you don't know, then what you can do means you can syntax you miss, then you can come to here and web underscore image can give, and image check, this is our verification point. So here you need to give for the like variable name you need to give. So I'm giving for the language, and here image source will be there, right? Image source nothing but you need to pick from the application. So you can go here, and we can log off. We'll give, we are giving for the which page? Launch page, right? You can click on this, click on view page source, and here some GIF or some PNG type will be there. We need to get that one. See, you can observe SRC is equal, this is for image code. You need to check for the image, nothing but SRC. You can observe this is the SRC. You can copy any one of the image one. So copy it and control it and click on OK. You can observe automatically the function is generated. Web image check, and this is the parameter name, and after that SRC is equal, and we have two times SRC came by. Okay. Now you can observe here also double colon place we need to give for the black slash. See where it is double colon will be there, you need to give that one. So you can observe shift to parsing will be succeeded. Now you need to execute just. So web image check will be no need, because we are doing for the text verification point, right? That is fine. But if anyone asks for means how to do for the validation points, means we can do for the two ways. One is for the text verification point. One is for the image verification point. What is the text verification point means web break find. You can observe here, and launch is started, web break find successfully, and we can see the web image. Anyone able to see? See, you can observe web image is started and verification check is, see, you can observe web image is check was successful. Means you can validate for the this way also you can validate. Okay, so we can do for the two ways. One is image and one is for the web image check. Got it, everyone? Hello.
Yes.
So now you are doing for the scripting means before recording you need to enable this. This is the good thing. Then after that you need to enable this, click on OK, and after that you need to start for the correlation and parameterization. And each and every page you need to must keep this one. And if you want message also, you can keep this also. Okay, this code. Only we are not changing anything, just you need to give for the save count what you are giving, you need to give for there here. That's it. And execute. Automatically your script will be pass. Got it, everyone? So don't worry about this, and you can keep it in our notepad or anywhere, and we can use for the every time. No need to write manually every time. So this is the text verification point, image verification point. So just I done for the only launch login, but you need to do for the all transaction. How many pages we have, each and every page you can keep that verification points. So automatically you are enabled, automatically it will come this one. Now you can execute. Server side value will be there. Definitely your script will be fail when you are given like web break find function. See, your script will be paused now because you are given every place will be web break find function you paused. You can observe here web break find is there, and here also there. Each and every page will be there. You can observe. So now your script will be passing because server side value you can maybe miss only, it will fail. But application side you can done or not done also, it will not fail. But you need to do for this also. Okay. But we know for the server side what value also captured and where it is script failing also, you know, for the give you can give for the web break find function. So this is the way we can do for the scripting. So almost we are completed for the scripting. So you need to do for the scripting means properly, like you need to give for the proper user, proper script name. And after that, you need to give for the recording options, proper recording options. And after that, give for the proper transaction names. And same to the do for the like correlation parameterization. You can complete this, your work will be finished for scripting part. Okay. So we'll meet tomorrow and we'll discuss further more about scripting only. Okay, we have one more 1 or 2 days will be scripting will be finished will, and we'll move to the controller. Okay. Thank you for joining everyone. We'll meet for tomorrow.